Fortune favor the brave.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Black Joker, and some of you guys have heard about Aptos protocol because I've dropped a few videos about it. Okay, so if you have not done the former Aptos testnet, please have a bit patience because they're running maintenance and it's a bit hard for the team. So this here right now is the Mobious protocol. And what is Mobious protocol? It says Mobious protocol is a decentralized non-custodian liquidity market protocol on Aptos blockchain where you can participate as a depositor or a borrower. Oh guys, this is turning out to be something like UMI. That's, if you know UMI, I'm talking about the Atom network. So let's get right to what we're here for. So then you get your Kiwi browser and make sure you have a working MetaMask. Okay, so make sure you have a working MetaMask and switch to the Covan testnet. Okay, then the second wallet you'll be needing is the Martian Aptos Wallet. And if you don't know how to do this, please refer to my former video on the Aptos testnet. Okay, so once this is set, we'll now go directly to the Mobious site, which is like this. Okay, so this is their site guys, and you can just scroll through, and this is pretty much cool. Let me make sure I'm on the desktop site to enhance the performance. Okay, I'm right there. So the first things you're going to do is connect your wallet, which is right here. Okay, mine is already connected. Then the second step is to claim an Aptos faucet. Okay, then click on claim, and you can see right here it says successfully. Please check your details. Okay, so once this is done guys, please go down here. You will be seeing your wallet address and what it's inside. Okay, so the second step is to click on deposit. Okay, so I'm having 5,000, I think this is 58,513 Aptos. Okay, this is a faucet guys and not real money, so don't actually get confused. Okay, so here we're going to be depositing a small amount of Aptos. Let me say I'll deposit like 1,000 and click on deposit. Okay, it takes you to your Martian network, and you can see the cost is minus 1,000. The network fee is 109. Oh, this is a lot, but hopefully when the mainnet launch it won't be this much. Okay, you click on approve, and I think we'll now go to deposit once again. Okay, so and click on this. Okay, so as you can see here, it's just appeared right here. It says I've successfully deposited a 1,000. Okay, so then the next step is to come over to your ETH. Okay, then click on deposit, and we're having 100 ETH, and let's say we deposit a 10. Okay, I'm not a fan of big figures, so click on deposit and run through the same process. Okay, till the 3 is completed. Okay, you are now seeing I have 90 here, and it's appeared as a total of 1,010 deposits. Okay, so then Bitcoin right here, let's do a 20, and this is faster than I expected guys. This is really cool. If it's this fast when the mainnet launches, it's actually cool. So this is taking a bit of our time, so please, while you wait for this, or while we wait together for this, do your best to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get more content when I do drop, and I actually drop always. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's already gone now, so click on approve, and I think we're here. Okay, is 1,030. So the next step right here guys is as simple as it looks. You come over to your borrow, and let's say we're borrowing Aptos. Okay, let's say we're borrowing like 1250. Okay, so click on borrow and confirm transaction. Okay, click on borrow and you can see borrowed is here. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and borrow for orders, and when we get back we'll do the next step. Okay, so I'm pausing. So right here guys, I've borrowed a total of 280, sorry, a total of 280. So the next step is we're going to be doing everything, because this is a testnet guys, and we are actually testing this to see if there is any error. So I'm going to be withdrawing 200 aptos. Okay, I'm going to withdraw that. Okay, and I'm going to click on approve. Okay, so once you do that for the 3 tokens, you have seen I've lost 100 deposits right here. Okay, so once you've done that, we'll come back to our repay. Let's repay for ETH. Okay, let me repay. I've borrowed a 20, so let me repay a 5. So it's not financial advice to actually borrow, but I'm repaying, and this is a testnet, so whatever. Okay, so I click on approve, and you can see it just reduced by the amount that I repaid. Okay, so this is all for this testnet guys. So you can actually come back right here to their Twitter. Make sure you follow them. Okay, make sure you follow them, and you can actually give your feedback right over here. Okay, right over here there are lots of people giving their feedbacks and all, so you can actually do that. Tell them your experience and all this stuff. And remember guys, testnet is to show you how to use the mainnet when it has been launched. Okay, so please don't do this only for airdrops. Do this to gain knowledge on crypto and more blockchains that are coming up. Okay, thank you once again for staying with me through to the end, and thank you again once, and see you next time guys. Stay tuned for the next video.